Good morning, students. In this video we will learn about the data model, okay, and terminology related with the relational database management. And why we use the data model. Data model are used to show how data organized or stored in the database. You can say the data model is a method to store the data into the database, okay. And these are different types of data models, as relational data model, network data model, hierarchical data model, and object oriented data model. But in syllabus of class 12 we'll learn about the relational data model only, okay. So now let's start the relational data model. In relational data model, the data is organized into table form. Table form, that means rows and column form. These tables are called relational. And relational data model, that means I have drawn a table here, and you can say roll number, name, class, age. There are 4 columns and 2 rows. But in the relational data model, column is also known the field, and rows is also known the entity and the record and tuple also, okay. So how many in column here? 1 2. How many field? 1 2 3 4. And how many rows? How many tuple? 2 tuples. The next is, and these are the terminology of the relational database model, okay. And the next is domain. Domain are the set of values that appear in a given column are drawn from the column, okay. Are drawn, that means are the set of the values that appear in a given column are drawn. For example, roll number 1 and 2. The values of the domain roll number 1 and 2 is derived from the set of the similar type of value. Similar type of value, the similar data type of value. So the pool of similar type of values is called domain. What type of value? Similar. Similar means integer type of value, or you can say character type of value, float type of value, whatever. But in the roll number, we will use only the integer values. The next is degree. Degree is the number of field. Degree is the number of field. And you can say degree refers to the number of a column. The total number of column represent the degree, okay. And the cardinality. Cardinality means that refers to the number of rows and tuples. Number of tuples, okay. I'll explain the topics. Relation. A relation is a table, that is data is arranged in a rows and column form. Domain. A domain is a pool of values from which the actual values appearing in a given column are drawn. Tuples. The rows of a relation are known as tuples. Attribute. The column of a relation are known as attribute. Degree. The number of attribute in a relation is called degree. Cardinality. The number of tuples, rows in a relation is called the cardinality of the relation, okay. So in this video we have learnt about the terminology of the relational data model and about the relational data model, okay. So I hope you have understood these topics.